The future for senior citizens' mobility faces a bumpy road. In the next 10 years, the nation will have a larger population of older Americans that drive, thanks to the baby boomer generation hitting the age of retirement. Sandra Rosenblum, a professor from the College of Architecture and Landscape at the U of A, thinks social interaction is very important, and a decrease in mobility could affect our community.
Senior citizens want to contribute to the community. They're the most important volunteers often in a community. You want them to be able to go to the places they volunteer.
Older Americans will require a new set of strategies to make mobility safe for old and young alike. Michael Frack, coordinator of transportation for Fellowship Square, a senior community, says the lack of mobility puts senior citizens between a rock and a hard place.
With the loss of vision and coordination problems which will incur as they get a little older, they'll have to give up their vehicles, which losing a lot of independence also.
Mary Bova lives in a senior community. She does not drive and has very few options for transportation.
At my age, I don't travel with the bus. Too far for me to go. So I stay here and get the bus service. What we have here takes us shopping, and we have 2 days that takes us to doctors and dentist appointments.
Rosenblum says we have to prepare for the future with new programs like volunteer drivers, sidewalk and bus stop improvements.
All of these things, there's no magic bullet. We have to do all of these things together. Otherwise, we're condemning a whole generation of older people to having to choose between safety and mobility.
Arizona continues to reform for public policies to improve the safety and travel for older Americans. For Arizona's Cat's Eye, I'm Gina Marino.